Yeah, hey, we done been through hard time, hard time, hard time. We done been through hard time. Yeah, hey, we done been through hard time, hard time, hard time. We done been through hard time. Yeah, I love my brother and it turned me to a savage. Yeah, I swear I never leave that house without that automatic. I put that money over.
as y'all can see, man, I hit up like, hold on, Troy, Jay, Spud, Troy, Jay, Spud, my nigga Quay, my BM, Will, and Lil Bro. I hit up 7 people. Out of 7 people, let me see who said they got me. Troy, Spud, Quay, Troy's my BM. Out of 7 people, Troy, Jay, Spud, my BM, and Will. 5 people. 5 people say they got me, man. That's a loyalty test. I could have hit up more people, bro, but you feel me? Like, I ain't no need to, you feel me? I ain't even gonna take their money. I'm just about to go ahead and just send them their money back, you feel me? Ain't no point in just having it. Might as well just send it back, you feel me? Because I don't need it for real. I just want to see where they head at and shit like that, and how mad they fuck with me and shit like that. The reason I keep looking up at the TV, man, watching football right now, dog. Feel me? I want to see the Rams lose, actually. Actually, I want to see a good game about this. I don't even care, because you know I'm going for the Seahawks right now. That's my NFC team. And the AFC team, I'm going with the Buffalo Bills. Houston traded D-Hop, so I ain't going with Houston, but I'm going with the Buffalo Bills. You feel me? They got it right now. They in the spot. They in second seed in the AFC. But it's that video, y'all. You know, it's Los, baby. That's my name. You feel me? So next video coming, I want to see something in the comments. It don't matter what it is. Don't care if it's negative. I don't care if it's positive. Something just show me that y'all watching. Then I want to see y'all share this video for me. If y'all support me, if y'all mess with me, share this video. You feel me? And I'm gonna mess around and go ahead and do some more videos within this week. Peace.